Hey guys, welcome to JBS Garage, and today we're doing some more stuff to the FMR, so let's get right into it. So, we're just in the kitchen at the moment, and I've just soldered back on the wires to the ignition barrel, right? I know that these two are for the actual ignition turn on, these ones will be for the kill switch, not sure what one actually goes what yet, so that's why I've put wires on there. Also because it's awkward to try and solder whilst it's on the bike, the wires that are on the bike. So, now that I've soldered that, we're just going to cool down for a minute, turn the plug off already. We're going to go outside with the ignition barrel and see if we can make it work. Lovely jubbly. So she soldered up and she actually works, but fucking, I started connecting the kill switch one and then fucking my solder joint came off because being proper shit, so I don't have any flux or anything. So yeah, I'm going to have to resolder that when I can be over. I'm just going to resolder it on the bike. I ain't taking it off again. But yeah, that's one thing done. At least you can turn it on and off with the key now, at least. Happy days. Give me a ball. Give me a ball. Go on, son. Go on, son. Two-stroke yeeting in the background there, but fucking, here's the sim. She's finally being built back up again, thank God. She's got a different back wheel on her. She's got the old exhaust back on her. Brewing engine, brewing wiring loom and that. She'll be back up running fairly soon. It'd be sad to have seen her die anyway, so I'm glad that someone else is building her back up rather than me recording his own video over there. The mini yeeter. Got the cans of paint under there. We're about to start prepping. Sam's doing all the paintwork and everything. I'm just here for a bit of fun because I'm bored. I did tell Sam to do everything, but I just felt like popping round. So yeah, I'm just going to start sanding the wheels down for him and everything in a minute. He's already started making work on the frame. He's cut the tabs off and everything where the chrome pieces used to be, because the chrome pieces are just dead. I'll give you a sneak peek as to what colours. Clear. You guys got to see a nice little clear coat there. And yeah, lovely jubbly. Just got given a freebie, everyone. Freebies for days. Right, so we've got one problem. This screwdriver bit here snapped off inside that screw and stripped the top half at the exact same time. So I've got to try and get the bottom bit of the screw bit out there now. Probably got to replace Sam's fucking tools, and I've got to try and get the fucking screw out. If all goes wrong, I'm drilling this little bastard and fucking putting a new thread in it. Note to self, don't use crossheads. Sam's getting ID'd in the range for spray paint. There's the screw, got it out. It actually came out first try after smacking it with the hammer, so that's not too bad. Look at the discs. They're actually in pretty good condition still. One problem with the brakes is though that I'm going to sort out is they tend to just not work when I'm riding, but they work. They stopped me fine on the bike, but it's like there's no progression. You squeeze it and you have to squeeze quite hard to lock them up, whereas like I don't know, that just shouldn't happen. So probably going to be sorting that out too. Yeah. So what's going on?
What, with the channel, the name change?
Yep.
So as you know, I was known as Zero Customs, but as I'm not really much of a customs at the moment, like if I had my own shop, maybe in the future that would be the title of the shop. But for YouTube purposes, Projects of Mayhem, it just suits the channel. Like everything that goes on the channel, like the bikes, the mini motors, like all the like little bits that we do, they're all projects, and like they're all pretty mad. So the Mayhem and the projects, they all fit in. So yeah, for the YouTube channel, I think Project of Mayhem just really suits the channel. So probably should have made some sort of video saying I'm changing my name.
Get out, sorry. Yeah. Give him a subscrizzle because he's a G.
Yeah.
So I've hand sanded both wheels. I'm going to go through again with a toothbrush, give them a good old clean out as well, and probably go for another gentle sand. But what I've also done is, if you look here, that one's been sanded, that one hasn't. Can you see the difference? That took about 2 seconds on a palm sander there. You know what I mean? And that just looks immaculate, ready for painting. Like, that is ruthlessly good. And then there's the other one for comparison, you know? Look, mad. This thing's gonna be a beast. So we've done all the prep work here. And yeah, if you actually want to see the full video and all this being done properly, and you want to see the rest of it, head over to Sam's channel from 68.
And this is a 68. Look at the size difference in that.
Oh, it's gonna go so fast.
Look at the difference in that.
You know? Look at the colour this is going. Look how gorgeous this is coming along. I was not expecting it to even be this good by far. I'm not even going to lie to you guys. This is like, this is trumped exactly. I don't even have any words right now, you know? This is crazy. Look at that. That is sick as fuck. Got the yokes, the handles. That bit there didn't need to be painted because the grip's going to be there. Forks, frame, currently upside down. Sprocket, as you just see, half tone, amazing. Then all the panels have gone black. And it's looking hella dank. Oh yeah, blue wheels too and blue brakes. And you may think blue brakes and blue wheels, gonna go a bit too much blue, but no it's not, don't worry. We got that planned. Black lives matter. So, ignore the fact I'm in a dressing gown because it's the next day and it's a terrible day today. But we got a new rear wheel for when we do the YBR turbo bob-up build thing. So, sweet as fuck. The tyre size on it is a 130 70/18 as well. So it would actually fit on a standard YBR rim as like oversized tyre kind of thing. But yeah, I'm probably going to make the whole wheel fit because well, if I can then go another few sizes up again. Yeah, got that. I've sprayed some shit on the JBS garage sign. I'm just starting to make it look better than just the basic JBS garage. And yeah, I know I said I was going to be making an FMR video at the start of this clip, but clearly that's not happened. And I was planning on doing it today as well, but the weather, it's thunder and lightning and rain and it's just shitty as fuck weather. Like, it's not worth me working in this weather at all. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this one. Give it a like, give it a comment, give it a subscribe. If you want to watch more MOTO videos, they're going to be on the Projects of Mayhem channel now, which is Sam's channel, or they're going to be here. But you're going to see them first on Sam's channel, second here. So, yeah. Hope you guys have a very great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.